In this video, we'll show you how to fix GTA 5 crash on loading screen or startup. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your GTA 5 crashes right on the loading screen or won't even start up properly, I'll show you how to fix that. Alright, so first on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to settings, and here if you're trying to play GTA Online, you need to enable Beta Lie anti-cheat. But if you're trying to launch GTA with mods, you need to uncheck this to disable it. Alright, next open up File Explorer, go to Documents on the left, and then look for Rockstar Games. So this one, open it up, and then go to GTA 5, look for settings.xml, and you're gonna delete this. Right click on it and hit delete. After you delete this, try to launch GTA 5 again and see if that fixes it. Alright, if that doesn't fix it, it's probably because the game itself is corrupted. So if you're using Epic Games, you wanna go to library, look for your GTA 5, click the three dots here, go to manage, and then click on verify to fix your GTA 5. On Steam, you can do the same, go to library, look for your GTA 5, right click on it, go to properties, install files, and hit verify integrity of game files. After it's done, you can try to launch GTA 5 again and the problem should be fixed.